Hey, what's up, everyone? So today we had two trades, one for 19%, one for 23%, both pretty easy. The second one wasn't a great execution, but we'll get into that later. The first trade that we did this morning was on JP Chase, stock symbol JPM. And what we were looking at is we saw this huge gap down in the morning from the prior close of around 112 down to 108. And so what we were looking at is some sort of selling action because all these buyers are going to get stopped out. They need to get out of their positions. But how low is it actually going to go? My initial thoughts were that it was going to drop down to 105 based on this here. So we had a lot of support here at this 105 area, as you can see. Looking at this again, though, probably would have been better at the 106 as a support, just for this level here. But we were looking at 105. Didn't happen, and we ended up selling our position, but I'll go over that here. So this is what we were looking at in the morning, opening around 108. So I thought we'd get 107 puts and drop down all the way to 105. So we got 107 puts right off the open at $1.38. And then you can see, boom, printed money right away. What I didn't like, though, was these next 15 minutes where it couldn't break this 106 area. So on this green candle, about 15 minutes later, I decided to cut the position. I didn't like what I saw, and it wasn't going in the direction that I wanted. So decided to take whatever profits we had and exit. Ended up selling the position at $1.65, which is a 19% gain. The high here was $1.90, so not too far off, but we could have made our exit a little bit better. But profit is profit. Nobody's ever lost money taking profits. The second trade that we did was on Alibaba. So what we saw here, this was an intraday trade. I saw this big red candle here that happened. Luckily, I was watching it. I was kind of, pretty in tune with the markets today, but I did mess up on my entry. I was looking at 102 puts, but instead of just putting in a market order to buy these things, I put in a limit order and I wasn't getting filled. And so this red candle actually ran a little bit against me to start. So I wasn't getting filled. I canceled my limit order, put in a new one, also didn't get filled. And so then I just put in a market order. I could have gotten a way better price on these things, but what price did we get? So we entered the position at $1.78, ended up selling 3 minutes later for $2.20. My exit also wasn't good on these. I was looking for this thing to drop down right to 100. It didn't quite get that far, so I got stopped on the way up at $2.20. Still a profitable trade, still happy with it, but could have gotten somewhere around $2.80, $2.90. That would have been a lot better. 23% profit for 3 minutes of work. I'm not going to complain about that. So two for two today. Like and subscribe to our channel for more analysis on the trades that we do, and join our Discord if you want live alerts so you can make money in the stock market as well. Until next time, guys, stay profitable out there.